Okay, let's say we have to find the distance between the 2 points which are not parallel to the axis. The point A is 3, 4. The point B is 1, 1. So how we can find the distance between these 2 points? We know that these 2 points form a triangle, and the triangle is at 90 degree. It has 90 degree and a point C. The point C is 3 from the x-axis and 1 from the y-axis. If we find the distance between point B and C and point A and C, we can get the distance between point A and B because all the right triangles follow Pythagoras theorem. And Pythagoras theorem states that distance between AB square is always equal to distance between AC square plus the distance between BC square. So first of all, we have to find the distance between A and C, and AC is parallel to the y-axis. So the distance between A and C is 1 minus 4, which is equal to 3 units. The distance between B and C, the distance between B and C is parallel to the x-axis, and the distance is 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2. So now using the Pythagoras theorem, we can find the distance between A and B. So AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. And taking the square root on both the sides, we get AB is equal to square root of 3 square plus 2 square, which is equal to 9 plus 4, which is equal to square root 13. So the distance between A and B is square root 13. Now just check that what is A and B. How did we find the distance between A and B? The distance between A and B was actually the, what is this 3? This is actually the difference between the x coordinates, and 1 is the difference between the y coordinates. So what are the coordinates of A? 3, 4, and the coordinates of B? 1, 1. So what are the distance between the x coordinates? 3 minus 1, that is 2. And the distance between y coordinates? 4 minus 1, that is 3. So basically, how can we find the distance between A and B? This is the square root of distance between the y coordinates, y2 minus y1, and the whole square, plus the distance between the x coordinates, that are x2 minus x1, and whole square. So what is the distance formula? Distance formula says that if we have to find the distance between any 2 points, let's say P, with the coordinates x1, y1, and q with the coordinates x2, y2. So according to the distance formula, we can find the distance by y2 minus y1 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square. And we have learned that we get this distance formula by using all the Pythagoras theorem and all those things. So this is the distance formula, and by using this distance formula we can find the distance between any 2 points in the coordinate plane.